What's up guys, it's me Geek. So finally I bought a magnetic cable and here we go. Let me take out the cable. This is a magnetic cable. Okay, here we go. And then for example, like this one is a USB type C connector. Okay, maybe I wanna use with my tablet, maybe like this one. Okay, I can just put here. Now it's look cool, right? I can easily whenever I want, I think this thing is cool. This thing is literally cool. This is a must buy cable. You can have micro USB or iPhone connector. This is a must buy cable. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.